In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage email signatures in Zoho Mail, an essential task for maintaining a professional image in your communications. Let's get started by logging into your Zoho Mail account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper corner of your interface where you'll see the familiar settings icon. Click on it to open up the wide range of options available to you. As we are focusing on email signatures today, our next destination is the Signatures section within the Settings menu. Scroll through the options and you'll find it listed there. Click to open this section, which is where all the magic happens in crafting the perfect signature. Now, you have the option to either create a new signature or edit an existing one. If you're starting from scratch and want to create a completely new signature, look for the plus icon. Clicking on this will allow you to add a fresh and personalized signature to suit your needs. On the other hand, if you're planning to modify a signature you've already created, simply click on the signature you want to adjust. Then, look for the edit icon, which usually resembles a pencil, and give it a click to open the editing interface. Once you're in the editing stage, you'll have access to a rich text editor. This tool offers you the flexibility to compose your signature exactly how you envision it. You can add text and format it to highlight key information. You can also insert images, which is perfect for including company logos or any visual content that complements your brand. If you wish to include hyperlinks to your business website or social media profiles, the editor has got you covered with straightforward hyperlink insertion options. If you have multiple email addresses linked to your Zoho account, pay attention to how you associate your signatures. It's vital to match the right signature with the right from email address. This ensures that each correspondence maintains a consistent style and message, regardless of which address it's sent from. Navigate through your email addresses and select the specific signature you want each one to use. This step can greatly enhance the professionalism of your communications. Finally, don't forget the all-important last step: saving your changes. You will notice a prominent Save button somewhere on your interface. Clicking this means all your hard work is secured and your new or updated signature is now ready to be used in your future emails. That's all there is to it. You've now mastered creating and managing your signatures in Zoho Mail, enhancing the professionalism of your digital correspondence. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to practice these steps to ensure your emails always make the right impression.